Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So class, now it's time we are going to begin with our today's classes. So today is Friday and it's 13th August 2021. So a very important festival is coming. You know what's that? Yes, our Independence Day is coming. So what is Independence Day? A day on which we got our freedom. And today in our art integration class in the Zoom meeting, we are going to do a very beautiful activity where ma'am is going to teach you about our flag. Okay? Indian national flag. But before moving towards that, this is the time we are going to do our English word. And you remember yesterday we have learned about slanting lines. So what are slanting lines? Yes, it's a pattern of lines in which we draw lines in the slant way. थोड़ा सा तिरछा draw करते हैं. So today we are going to practice the same work in our notebooks. I told you, see the string of the balloons, the rain that is coming out of the clouds, when it falls in a slanting line, right? So let's trace these lines and see how you are going to do today's work in the notebook. Okay, let's begin. So what is this? It's a cloud. So first we are going to color this cloud. Okay, so I have blue color. And like this, I am going to fill color in this cloud. So this is a blue color chalk I am using. You can use your colors like this. It's a blue color cloud. And now when the rain is coming out of the clouds, let's draw the rain. You have to join them slowly. Like this, slowly and slowly you will come down. अब देखो बारिश नीचे से ऊपर नहीं जाती, राइट? ऊपर से नीचे आती है. So what you will do? From cloud to bottom. ठीक है? Follow this. आपको cloud से begin करना है क्योंकि rain तो cloud से begin करके फिर नीचे आती है ना? So like this, slowly and slowly you will come down. Clear? Let's trace it once again. Like this, you will trace it slowly and come down. Once again, slowly, no need to hurry up. बस आपको dotted lines को properly cover करना है. Understood? Now, just follow these lines. Like this. So these are all left slanting lines. Why? Because they are coming towards the left hand side. Now comes the right slanting lines. So like this we will draw right slanting lines. Clear? So see, you have to cover the lines properly. Like this. And now when they are going towards your right hand side, so they are your right slanting lines. Understood, class? This is how you will do it. Now after your clouds, we have balloons. So what is your favorite color? You can use that to color your balloon. Yes, so I am going to use some different colors to color my balloon. I have yellow with me. I have green with me. So let me color my balloons first. So this is green color. I'm coloring it. Then I have yellow. With yellow I'm coloring this yellow balloon. And one more color. Okay, let me use purple for this balloon. Now all the balloons are colored. So we have colorful balloons. Now what we are going to do? We are going to trace the lines. How? Like this. your left slanting line. Clear everyone? So remember, whenever you are drawing these slanting lines, आप जब भी ये slanting lines बनाते हैं, you have to remember, if it is going left side, those are left slanting lines. If it is going towards right hand side, it's a right hand slanting line. Understood? So now let's see how you are going to do this work in notebook. Open your English notebooks and let's begin with the work. So class, you are going to do your work like this in notebook. First write today's date, Friday, that is the day, classwork and slanting lines. So we are going to do left and right side both. So now as I told you, a cloud and some balloons. So first thing, let's color them up quickly. So I'm going to take this blue color for clouds. Let's color this cloud quickly. Like this, and with the help of this crayon only, you will trace these lines. Understood? Like this. Clear? Now comes the balloons. So you can use your favorite color for that. Now first I am going to use this one. And with the same color you will make the string also. Like this. Clear? Now change your color, take another color. I will take this green color. Okay, let me take out this green color. Now just string with the same color. Clear? So one more color we need. I am going to take pink color for this. And with the same color we will make the string. Understood? So like this you will first do the work. Now comes the tracing of the lines. How we are going to do that? Take your pencils. Let's start tracing. I told you slowly. In your 4-line notebook, like this you will do. Clear? This is left. Now comes the right side. See? Like this. So this is how you will practice your tracing work in notebook today. Understood? अब ये तो मैम ने आपको बहुत सारे multiple dots दिए थे. Now when you will do it again, takes little bit less dots like this. यहाँ से यहाँ join किया and like this. Understood? Similarly here also, like this you will join. Clear? So this is how you are going to do your work in notebook today, where you will first draw some pictures, you will color them and you will practice the lines with colors. After that you will do it like this in your notebook in 4 lines. Hope you all have understood today's work. So now in the next class what we are going to do, we are going to start with slanting line alphabets. Clear? So please practice these slanting lines and try to do them without dots if you can. Bye for now. Take care.